Verify game integrity. Steam allows verifying game files to ensure they're not corrupted. This can fix voice chat issues caused by missing or damaged files. Here's how. Right-click Content Warning in your Steam library. Select Properties. Click on the Local Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files, and wait for the process to complete. In-game settings, if available. Unfortunately, information about content warning settings is limited. Still, here are common settings that might affect voice chat. 1. Voice chat enable, disable. Look for an option in the game's settings menu, audio or options, to enable or disable voice chat entirely. 2. Push to talk versus open mic. Some games offer the option between push to talk, PTT, where you hold a key to speak, or open mic where your microphone is always active. Ensure you're using the PTT option if enabled and the key is bound correctly. Check key bindings in settings. 3. Microphone selection. Verify the correct microphone is chosen in the game's audio settings. Steam settings. 1. Microphone selection. Ensure the correct microphone is selected in Steam settings. Go to Steam, Settings, Voice, or Audio depending on your Steam version. Choose the appropriate microphone under Voice Input Device. 2. Privacy settings. Make sure Steam has permission to use your microphone. Go to Windows Settings, Privacy, Microphone and ensure Steam is allowed to access the microphone. Additional tips. Check for updates. Keep Steam and content warning updated to the latest versions. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements to features like voice chat. Firewall, antivirus. In rare cases, firewalls or antivirus software might interfere with voice chat. Try temporarily disabling them. Remember to re-enable them afterwards, to see if it fixes the issue. Content warning community. Search online forums or communities dedicated to content warning. Players might have discovered workarounds or unofficial solutions for voice chat problems. If none of these solutions work, contact developers. Consider reaching out to the game's developers for further assistance.